bitch. I'm the big, big, bad, bad bitch. You know what? I'm the big, 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 bad, bad, bad bitch. Bitch, I'm the big, bad bitch. I'm the big, big, bad, bad bitch. I'm the what? Big, big, bad, bad, bad bitch. I'm the big, bad bitch. I'm the big, bad. You know what's good. Thank you, lovely, lovely people, for sharing your energy with us. I'd like to invite everyone to take a few steps forward. We got a bit of an Aggie one for this next one, yeah. So there's a lot of unregulated markets out there, which the effects of them being unregulated trickles down to us. And one of those is the housing market and the extortionate price that landlords are charging for us to have a fucking roof over our heads. So fuck your landlord.